Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, well, you can already see it, look at that. My car is lowered. And I also have added spacers to the rear. It is dirty though, that time of the year again. Wait a minute, this is not a proper way to start a video, so let's go. I'm gonna talk about the new set and why I think that you should be really buying this for your Golf GTE. It lowers the car, as you can see, obviously, gives it a very nice appearance, very sporty, and it also improves the handling quite a bit. Now this is very nice because the GTE is a heavy car and the stock suspension is very soft, mushy, pretty much all over the place. These upgraded springs improves the car on a lot of areas, and handling is a very important one of them. So these springs, they are custom set. Original, they were an Eibach set, and they were customized a bit by a company called Lowering, and I put a link in the description down below of the exact set, because this set is a bit different than the normal Eibach set. This set lowers the rear a bit more than the front. It lowers the front about 35 millimeters and the rear 45 millimeters. It's different front to rear. Why? Because on the stock car the nose is diving a bit, and now with this new set the car is just straight, and that gives it so much better appearance. Also, I put 15 millimeter spacers in the back. Still kind of doubting if I want to do it on the front, but the rear, it was really irritating me because the wheels were so much inside the wheel wells. I got the spacers from eBay, but they had a lot of good reviews, so I wanted to test them out. No vibration, no drawbacks from that. Want to take it to the next step, then you should maybe consider coilovers, because coilovers are obviously better than only springs, but my budget was a bit limited. These springs are only 240 euros and the spacers were about 50-60 euros, I think, on eBay. Now I've been driving this set for a week now, and I can really tell you that it really makes the GTE a proper hot hatch right now in terms of power and in terms of handling. If you've driven a GTI and like that, this is really this is going to be a mod for you. It really makes a GTE a hot hatch instead of a warm hatch. Performance wise, it already is a hot hatch, almost having 300 horsepower to your advantage and almost 500 newton meters, but the handling is where the car sort of lacks stock, and now it's just so much better. The package is so much better than it was. Okay, so I've just entered the street where I know there are a lot of speed bumps, potholes, and you can see for yourself that I'm going over the speed bumps with quite a speed. That's not my normal speed, but just for the sake of this video, that you won't hit your under tray. So there you go. That's already faster than I'm normally going. Another speed bump. You hit nothing, really. This is a pretty safe mod to do if your speed bumps are your concern. That was a bit of a creak, but not the bumper. Okay, so brake a little bit. And there we go, further. nothing. It's just great. Okay, well, thanks for watching. It was a bit of a shorter video because I can't really show you how the car drives with this new spring kit. So that's a bit of a thing. It's not as with power gains. I can show you the acceleration with handling mods. It just doesn't work that way. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I have been getting a lot of questions and comments, and I've been trying to respond to all of them. But please take into consideration, I also have a daily job, so I'm not there all of the time. But in the evenings, I have time. So again, thanks. Stay tuned because my next video is gonna be a very nice mod. It's gonna have something to do with the exhaust. So please stay tuned.